those two pins there, and basically they look like that. So what you do is get your trim removal tool in underneath that little button and then just pull out. That'll draw out the centre and it'll just pull straight out of the socket. So that's those two. Okay, so once the two push pins are removed from the B pillar, we're just going to pull it out, feed the safety belt through and unbolt it down below. I've taped up the push pins back to where they slot in through, and now we're just going to undo the T50 Torx that's here, holding in the safety belt. That'll slide back through here, and then we can level it up and store it. Yeah. Okay, so I've removed the T50 that holds in the top of the safety belt. Now we're going to move down and take out the 8 mils here. Remove that brass bar across, that's two 8 mils either side, and we'll replace the nuts back where they came out. There's the brass bar that holds in the safety belts, and I'm just going to pop it back where it was so it's not lost. To remove this trim piece, I got my trim removal tool in under here and wiggled and lifted. These two clips popped, and then I just slid back the rest. After popping a clip back here, that little guy still in the bodywork, but I wiggled him out of his bracket, popped those three, and slid the rest back. Just for safekeeping, I've taped in all the clips that retain those into the bodywork, so I know where they are when it comes to reassembly. Just a side note, to gain access to removing your safety belt, you're going to have to remove that little 7mm head, slide up the foam, and then it'll allow you to gain access to the bolt that pulls. I think I need two hands here, so I have the phone propped. Hopefully you can see it alright. I'm just going to get the trim removal tool in behind here and pop it. Oh, didn't need two hands. Okay, I'm guessing that's a T50 as well, and there's probably another one back here at the back. Next we're going to remove the 7mm that's hidden in the foam. That guy there. That'll release this. This will pull up and give us access to the T50 that's holding in the safety belt. That's the foam blocks removed, and they're now going into storage.